Across industries, inspections remain fragmented, expensive, and full of risks. CyberXHub transforms this complexity into one intelligent, seamless system. At the core of CyberXHub is a unified, AI-powered platform. It brings together drones, ground robots, fixed cameras, and smart sensors working as one autonomous team. From mission planning to live operations to real-time analytics, CyberXHub connects the entire inspection journey. Generate 2D maps and 3D models, detect anomalies instantly, and create a digital twin for smarter decisions. Developed and hosted in Germany, CyberXHub ensures full GDPR compliance, enterprise-grade security, and private cloud options. Trusted by industries from energy and public safety to mining and power infrastructure, CyberXHub goes beyond drones. It is a true multi-agent inspection platform, future-proof and designed for real-world operations.